Happy Halloween, everyone. Welcome to day one of the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I'm here by myself this morning. Robert's still at work, but he'll meet up with us later. In the meantime, let's check out what's on display and see if we can get some tours of some yachts. I tried to get on some of these super yachts, but they're privately owned and the owners aren't a fan of people coming on board just filming. But they said if I were interested in buying a yacht, then I could make an appointment with the yacht broker and go on. I met this nice gentleman named Tripp who was generous enough to give me a tour of the Pershing 9X. This glorious yacht is a 92-foot yacht with 4 cabins, a maximum of 20 people on board, and there's even room for 3 crew members. She's named Minderella, and the helicopter you see on top is called Glass Slipper. I'm on a 66-foot Viking. It's a sport fish, and it's glorious, and these nice people at HMY said I can go ahead and walk around. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yes, this one dives to 500 meters. and she's actually available, ready for sale as we speak. So she's in class, straight out the inventory, out the shop, and ready for sale. 3.3 million US dollars currently.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So we've noticed a trend in owners. A lot of them are getting more adventurous and want to see obviously more of what's below as opposed to just surface level. So we're tailoring for that market.
Very nice, very smart.
The latest and greatest toys on board. Yeah.
You know, those boys with their toys.
Exactly.
If my husband could afford this, you better believe he'd have one.
Yeah, I think we'd all love to have one.
Oh yeah.
We have a whole range of yachts, not yachts, submersibles. So this one is not the deepest one. We've actually just released one that goes to 36,000 feet. Wow. So it's the deepest diving repeatable submarine in history. So Discovery Channel and us are working on a new expedition called 5 Deeps. So the owner has climbed the tallest peaks and mountains in the world, and now he wants to dive the deepest depths. So we've just developed a new submarine that will enable him to be able to do that.
That is awesome.
Yeah. This is what the submersible looks like.
All right, guys, we're walking the floor here at the 2018 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. Just checking out the different booths and seeing what they have. What do you see?
These look like sails that are made into purses. They do. It's like sail material.
So it's like Dacron?
I think I've seen this in a magazine. Remember? Where it was like, yeah, that sail material.
Dacron?
Well, I don't know what it is. Is that what it is?
Yeah. So, yeah, it's like Dacron bags.
We actually run a really good trade program, so we actually trade product for sales, or we work with a company called Sail Maine. It's a non-profit. We fund their scholarship program, which teaches underprivileged kids to sail.
Oh, wow.
So we try to I try to make it as advantageous as possible, and I actually run the sales trade section for the company.
Wow, that's great. Thanks. And this is a really beautiful bag.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I would totally buy this if, unfortunately, it were a little bit.
We are doing 10% off.
Yeah.
You need to see something that you like.
Maybe one of those. But I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
And the rope goes all the way through, so it's like a rib in the sail. We have a sailboat, so.
Well,
Yeah.
when you get ready to retire your sails, let us know. We can make you a bag out of your sail, or you can choose from another bag that we offer.
You'd make a bag out of our sail, and then use the rest to do whatever.
And I have an office down there for us. We either arrange to pay for it to ship via our UPS or FedEx account, or I'll come pick it up.
They'll make me a bag with our old sail.
Yeah, that's cool.
So I think they were watching your video. They mentioned you guys. They came in the store
Oh, yeah?
because they saw your video and they didn't know we existed until they saw your video. And they
Oh,
came in
that's
the
awesome.
store. I think you guys found like that big glass ball,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and the girl had written with bad handwriting, and it said 225, and it's actually an authentic one, but it looked like with her curly writing, it looked like it said $995.
Oh, so it was only
And I'm
Yeah,
like,
that's it.
oh my god!
I
They
almost
think it was $995. And I
How
went
much
back and
was
looked
it?
at tag and I
$200.
at $225.
Oh,
And I
okay.
actually went back to after I saw it, I had them put a new tag on it, and I actually even lowered it from $225. I'm like, I don't care if it's real. You gotta make it lower because I don't want to. I said somebody actually thought we were charging $1,000 for this. Take it as a thank you.
Aw, thanks.
Thank you, guys.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Aww. They're like the old glass buoys. And Sailorman gave this to me because I thought it was cute. And as a thank you, because I guess one of our videos we did of them brought them a customer. That's exciting.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So I saw in the showboat, if we go to the Tommy Bahama booth wearing something Tommy Bahama, they'll give us something for free. We get a little gift, so let's go check it out.
I see your shirt. Looks a little familiar.
Yeah.
Did you want one also?
Sure, thank
There you
you.
go.
Cool, thanks.
So there's a coupon for you to use at the retail store, and then there's an appetizer card in there that you can use at one of our restaurants.
So we found the wave boat. First time seeing one in person. Let's go check it out. How you guys doing? where are you guys based out of? Doral.
Yes, Miami.
Okay.
So this one is actually a 17 foot with the jet skis, about 21 feet.
Yeah.
So it seats 7. This current one goes about 55 miles an hour.
When you actually have the personal watercraft made it to the boat itself, this is the actual boat then, correct?
Yes.
That's
so,
the actual registered piece?
Yes, that is
Right.
correct. So a lot of people are saying like you can't do jet skis at nighttime, but
Yeah.
since it's now made into a boat, you can do that.
Yeah.
But yeah, when you register, yeah, you have a boat.
Okay.
Sticker price is $24 for this current model, but today we're doing $22,000.
That's awesome.
Right.
Yeah.
You have a table here. You can take off and put on the bottom and put hold the front like a sundae.
Oh, I so want one of these.
All right, so we're on our way to the cocktail party put on by Iconic Marine Group. They do like Fountain and Baja powerboats. So there's fun little go-fast boats. This ought to be interesting.
Nobody thinks about it.
Tuck it in there.
I think we need to make some more money, huh?
What do we got over here? Oh, there's a little.
I also thought.
Oh. Very neat.
All right, guys, day 1 of the boat show is over. We just got done hanging out with Iconic Marine Group. They make Donzi, Baja, and Fountain powerboats. So we just got done hanging out with them for about an hour and a half, checking out their stuff. So
Nice
we're about to
stuff.
head in. A great way to end day 1. And we'll be reporting you guys the rest of this week with the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. So be sure to click that like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you think. And we'll be following up with more boat show content the rest of this week.
Thanks.
Thanks.